Good morning, students. Today we are going to discuss about the topic of set operations. Set operations. Already we discussed about what's the meaning of set, how to define a set, what are all examples of set, different types of set. Everything we discussed about in our previous classes. So what's the meaning of operations? Already we know that what are all mathematical operations are there. So addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, everything is the mathematical operation. Like that, sets also having few operations. We will see one by one. Okay. So first operation, universal set. Universal, the heading itself you know that universal means whole. So universal set is also called the whole set. Universal set is also called the whole set. So universal set contain all the elements. Universal set contains all the elements of all the sets. Okay, so universal set contain all the elements and also contain the all the sets, and is usually denoted by capital U. Capital U. So that universal set represented capital U. Capital U. For example, capital U is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, etc. capital N. 1, 2, 3, 4, etc. capital N. So, this capital N, what's the meaning of capital N? Natural number. So, what are all numbers in the natural number? Everything in the universal set. Everything is called the universal set. For example, if we discuss about the elements of natural number, the same thing only, then the universal set U is set of all natural numbers. All natural numbers. So, we are discussing about the natural numbers means what are all elements in the natural number, everything is called the universal set. For example, capital U is equal to X such that X belongs to natural number. X belongs to natural number. The same thing, if set A, here they are given the set A. Set A, so this is a separate set. This is not a universal set. Earth, Mars, Jupiter. Earth, Mars, Jupiter. So only 3 planets. Earth, Mars, Jupiter they are given. So only 3 planets they are given. This is called universal set. No. So this is not a universal set. This is one part of the universal set. So like that is the what is the universal set? So universal set is called what are all will come? Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, Neptune. What are all planets in the solar system? Everything is called the universal set. So, Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, Neptune. This one is called the universal set. But here, Earth, Mars, Jupiter. This is one part of the universal set. One part of the universal set. So, now you understand the universal set. We are moving the next operation. Complement of a set. Complement of a set. So, the complement of a set A is of all the elements of U. Complement of set A is the set of all the elements of U that are not in A. So, listen, it is denoted by A dash or A complement, small c, A complement. Okay, so the complement of a set A, the complement of a set A. So we will see that same example. I will explain through the same example. So universal set they are given: Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, Neptune. This is the universal set. So what is the set A? Earth, Mars, Jupiter. Earth, Mars, Jupiter. So like that they are given. Universal set and another one set they are given. You have to find out the complement of set. Complement of set means what? A dash or A complement. Both are correct only. So what is given? The complement of set A is the set of all the elements of U that are not in A. So all the elements of U, every elements inside the U, universal set, but that elements is not in a set A. So set what are the elements in a U? Mercury, Venus, Earth, Uranus, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, Neptune. What is the set A? Earth, Mars, Jupiter. So, what are all elements in A that are not in U? What are all elements? They are what they are given. The complement of set A is the all the elements of U. All the elements of U, but not in A. So, not in A. What are all in A? Earth, you have to strike out. Earth is where you have to strike out. Mars, where you have to strike out. Next, Jupiter, where you have to strike out. Jupiter. The remaining what are all is the Mercury. What is the Venus? Next, Mars. Next, Saturn. Next, Uranus. Next, what? Neptune. This is called A dash, otherwise A complement. A complement. So again I will say the complement of a set A is the set of all the elements of U that are not in A. So every elements is in the universal set but is not in the set A. There is not in the set A. That is called the complement of set. Complement of set. We will see another one example. Example, if universal set what they are given C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J. This is called the universal set. And set A is equal to C, D, G, J. You have to find out the find A dash. This is called the A complement. A complement. Take and write again. Universal set what? C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J. Set A is what? C, D, G, J. Okay. You have to find out the A dash. So, what are all elements is in the A that not what are elements in A is not in the A dash. So C you have to strike out. Next D you have to strike out. Next G you have to strike out. Next J you have to strike out. Remaining elements were E, F, H, I. That is called the A complement. That is called the A complement. A complement. So universal set C, D, E, F, G, H, I. J, yes, set A they are given. What are all elements in set A? You have to remove that. Remaining elements is called the A dash. So, another one example. Set U is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So, set A is equal to 2, 3. Okay. A dash you have to find out. So, what are all elements in set A that not in A dash? So, 2, 3. 2, 3 you have to strike out. What is remaining? 1, 3, 5. This is called A complement. A complement. Next one. Union of set. Union of two set. That next operation union. Union means what? What's the meaning of union? You have to join it. You have to join it. The union of two sets A and B. So, union means nearly we need a two set. The union of two sets A and B is the set of all the elements. Sets of all the elements which are either in A or in B or in both. It is denoted by A union. This symbol is represented by the union. So how you read? A union B. A union B. So you have to combine and write two sets also. That is called the union of two sets. So listen. Example. If A is equal to 1, 2, 6. Yeah, set A is equal to 1, 2, 6. Set B is equal to 2, 3, 4. So you have to find out A union B. A union B. So first you have to write the set A. Next you have to write the set B. So you have to join and write. What you have to find out? A union B. First you what are all elements are there in set A? You will take and write 1, 2, 6. Then next you have to write B set B also 2. 2 already is there. So no need to write again. So next 3. 3 is not there. So you will join and write. Next 4. Okay. So 1, 2, 6, 3, 4. You have to combine and write. It's called the A union B. Another one example. Set A is equal to A, B, C, D. Set B is equal to E, F, G. So what you have to find out? A union B. A union B. First, what are all elements in set A? You will take and write. A, B, C, D. Next, E. Set E. E is there already? No. Next, F is not there. G is not there. So, one element is already in the set A. No need to write again. Repeated elements, no need to write again. The remaining elements you have to combine and write. That is called the A union B. A union B. The next operation, intersection of two sets. So union means you have to combine and write two sets. But intersection of two sets, which is the common element for the two sets, that is called the intersection. That is called the intersection. Intersection symbol is, you have to write like this. You have to write like this. A intersection B. The intersection of two sets A and B in the sets of all the elements common to both A and B. It is denoted by A intersection B. A intersection B. For example, set A is equal to 1, 2, 6. Set B is equal to 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. Which is the common here? 1 is the no. 2 already is the 2 is the common element of both also. 6 is the no. So only one element is the common. A intersection B is the 2. So another one example. Set A is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4. Set B is equal to 3, 4. So what is the A intersection B? 1 is there or no? 2 is there or no? 3? Yes, is there. 4 is there. So which is the common for 2 also? That is called the A intersection B. A intersection B. Okay. The next one. Next operation. Difference of two sets. Difference of two sets. Let A and B be the two sets. The difference of sets A and B is the set of all elements. Set of all elements which are in A but not in B. Which are in A but not in B. So here let A and B be the two sets. The difference of sets A and B is the set of all the elements which are in A. What are the elements in A? But that element is not in a B. So we will see that it is denoted by A difference B. This is called the A difference B. Is the another one A difference B. Like that also you have to mention. Okay. Like that also you have to mention. You have to find out the A difference B. So X value is belongs to A but that value is not in B. Okay. B difference A, that value is belongs to B but not in A. Not in A. Okay. For example, if A set A is equal to minus 3, minus 2, 1, 4. Set B is equal to 0, 1, 2, 4. Find A difference B and B difference A. First, A difference B you have to find out. Set A you have to write minus 3, minus 2, 1, 4. Difference B set you have to write. So, listen, what all values is there? First, A difference B means you have to consider what are all values in B set. That one you have to is not in a A. So 0 is there? No. 1 is there? Yes, is there. You have to strike out 1. 1 you have to strike out. 2 is there? No. Minus 2 only is there. 4 is there. Here 2 also is there. But we have to consider set A. What are all elements in remaining? That one alone A difference B. Minus 3, minus 2. Minus 3, minus 2 is the A difference B. A difference B. Okay. The next one. B difference A. First B difference A means set B and set A you have to write. Okay. So now here what are all set A values is there? Minus 3 is not there. Minus 2 is not there. 1 is there. 1 you have to strike out. 4 is there. Okay. So B difference A. B difference A. So what are all is remaining? 0, 2 is the remaining. 0, 2. B difference A is equal to 0, 2 is the remaining. Okay. The next one, symmetric difference of set. Already first we see the difference of set. Now we are going to see the symmetric difference of sets. The symmetric difference of two sets. The symmetric difference of two sets A and B is the set A difference B. A difference B also you have to find out. B difference A also you have to find out. These two values you have to combine and write. That is called the symmetric difference. Okay. Symmetric difference is denoted by like this. Okay. So example, if A is equal to 6, 7, 8, 9 and B is equal to 8, 10, 12, find A symmetric B. Already I said first you have to find out the A difference B. Set A is equal to 6, 7, 8, 9. Set B is equal to 8, 10, 12. A difference B you have to find out 6, 7, 8, 9 difference 8, 10, 11, 12. 8 is there 8. What are the elements is the same? You have to strike out. only one element alone. The remaining is what? 6, 7, 9. Next, what you are going to find out? B difference A. First you have to write B, second you have to write A. So what are all elements is there? 6 is not there, 7 is not there, 8. 8 you have to strike it. What is the remaining value? 10, 12. So A difference B union B difference A. So what are all values? 6, 7, 9 union 10, 12. So union means combine and write 6, 7, 9 you have to write already. The same thing. 10 is there already? No. So write again. 12 is there already? No. You have to combine these two values. So A symmetric difference B. There like that only we are going to find out. Thank you students. Tomorrow we will see based on